Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the structure. The compound is CH3C, COO2H5 is equal to CH2CH2COO. The main chain contains a carboxylic acid group, -COO, at one end, a CH2 group, a CH is equal to group, and a CH3 is equal to group bearing an ester substituent, COO2H5, with a terminal CH3. Moving on to the next step. Identify the principal characteristic group. The COO carboxylic acid is the principal characteristic group, so it gets suffix OIC acid and is numbered C1. Moving on to the next step. Number the chain. The longest chain including the COO carbon. C1 is equal to COO carbon. C2 is equal to CH2. C3 is equal to CH is equal to. C4 is equal to CH3. COO2H5 is equal to. C5 is equal to CH3. This gives a 5-carbon chain, pent, with OIC acid suffix pentanoic acid base. And for the final step, identify the double bond. The double bond is between C3 and C4, so the compound is pent 3-enoic acid. Identify substituents. At C4 there is a COO2H5 ethoxycarbonyl group and a methyl group, which is part of the main chain as C5. The COO2H5 group is named ethoxycarbonyl ethyl ester of carboxylic acid. It is located at C4. Assemble the name. The substituent COO2H5 at C4 is ethoxycarbonyl and the base chain is pent 3-enoic acid, giving 4-ethoxycarbonyl pent 3-enoic acid. Evaluate other options. B. 4-ethnoloxy 3-enoic acid is incorrect because ethnoloxy refers to O-CH3 acetoxy, not COO2H5. C. 3-ethoxycarbonyl but 2-N-carboxylic acid implies a 4-carbon chain with carboxylic acid as a substituent prefix, which is not the correct approach when COO is the principal group in the main chain. D. 3-ethoxycarbonyl pent 3-enoic acid places the ethoxycarbonyl at C3 instead of C4, which is incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.